The biggest concern now, the threat of radiation and fallout from the country's damaged nuclear reactors. Experts from the United States Nuclear Regulatory Commission are in Japan trying to stabilize the volatile situation. This is video taken today of an explosion at one of those reactors. Another was heard late this afternoon. A 12-mile quarantine is keeping people away, forcing 180,000 people from their homes. Experts say it appears the fuel rods inside the reactors are melting, and the fear of radiation spreading here is weighing on a lot of minds. KXLY4's Tori Brunetti live with what the state of Washington is watching for. Tori?
Yeah, the Washington State Department of Health is monitoring the air on the west side for increased levels of radiation, and the Spokane Regional Health District says they are in constant communication with them. And so far, we haven't seen any change in the radiation levels in our air, but the situation in Japan is anything but stable. Living in Spokane, most of us feel safe, tucked away in our little pocket of the inland northwest. But the devastation hitting Japan, the perfect storm of a massive earthquake, tsunami, and now the looming threat of a nuclear disaster has sent shockwaves of fear to our safe haven.
The severity of the situation that's happening in Japan is frightening, even though we're thousands of miles away.
That fear is fueled by the low possibility radiation leaked from Japan's damaged nuclear reactors could contaminate our air.
We don't have a significant risk at this point.
The Washington Department of Health is monitoring radiation levels, and there has been no change yet. The amount of radiation dispersed into the air in Japan has been minimal, but the nuclear reactors are still very unstable. Japanese officials say a complete meltdown is possible.
The situation is certainly, evolving.
Health district officials say high levels of radiation reaching our air is very unlikely. Despite the good news, the health district wants you to know how you can prepare.
It would be a shelter-in-place sort of advice out to the community, is not getting the exposure.
Emergency response experts say people should stock up on 3 days of food, water, and medicine for each member of their household, along with matches, battery-powered radios, flashlights, and a first aid kit. These tips are not new. They are all basic things people can do to prepare themselves for any disaster. But emergency response experts say they are critical to survival.
Everyone will be better off the more people are prepared.
Yeah, multiple people have called the health district wanting to know about the radiation situation in our area and have been concerned about how they can protect themselves. For more information, you can go to the health district's website. Just go to KXLY.com and click on news links. In Spokane, Tori Brunetti, KXLY4 HD News.